It's up guys, what are you doing? This is Had back on KKCA, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to use the Loft Nurbs. So I created this backstage or light studio in Cinema 4D using the Loft Nurbs, and I also created this cap or light using the Loft Nurbs. So let's see how we can use it. Alright, so let's delete everything and disable our Pro Render. Okay, so the way to use the Loft Nurbs is just drag it and now it's there. You're gonna need the splines for this, so let's just go ahead and create a rectangular spline and then change the orientation of it. Is just okay. Make it a bit wider, give it some height, round in, and yep, that should be it. So let's just copy the height, paste it here, divide it by 2. Okay, so now it's in the middle. Alright, and now we're just gonna make it an editable spline and make it not closed, and then go to the point selection, delete this one too, and then just go back to the model selection and then copy this one, control click and then hold, move it to the side, or you can just go to copy paste and then move it to the side, control C, control V to do that. And I'm just gonna move it a little bit more. Okay, and then put both of these splines in the Loft Nurb, sorry. And here we have it, your light studio. Now let's see what we can also create. So now let's go ahead and create the desktop light using the Loft Nurbs. Okay, drag another one, Loft Nurbs, and then this time I'm gonna be working on with circular spline. Okay, oh yeah, shit, let's just move this one to the side. Okay, so now it's approximately in the middle. And now let's change the orientation of this one. Let's say maybe XZ, so now it's facing the bottom. Okay, and scale it down a lot, and then move it to the bottom. That should be okay, and then control click and then move it to the just slightly to the bottom, and use the same procedure to create another one, only this one you just have to click on T, or just click on this one, scaling tool, and then scale it up, and then put all of these 3 in the Loft Nurbs, and you should get something like this. Okay, let's just make this one a little bit wider. Okay, so now we're getting that nice bevel, and now we're gonna use the cylinder object to create the rest. Sorry, that's not the cylinder object. Cylinder, okay, and then maybe something like this would work for us. And we don't want to be too specific or anything. This is just a tutorial, so we're basically done with the Loft Nurbs, so we're just messing around. Okay, another cylinder. Maybe around this one, and then go to cap, fillet, and then change it. Maybe something like this. And let's see what we have. Alright, let's just make it a little bit wider. So increase the radius, and let's make this one a little bit wider too. That should be okay. Let's give it a render and see what we got. Oh shit, I forgot about something. Let's go ahead and disable Pro Render again, and let's make our second Loft Nurbs an editable object. Then middle click on that Loft Nurb that we created, and then click on connect objects plus delete, and now it should be, just go to the polygon selection mode, and now wait, okay, and now just select, shit, let's disable our second Loft Nurbs. Okay, now make sure to select all these polygons using the rectangular selection, and then make sure tolerance selection is active, is checked, and select only visible elements is also checked. Then click on delete. Wait, not now. Now make sure to deselect what's mistakenly selected using clicking on the control key and then dragging. Okay, now the same thing. Alright, let's go ahead and hit delete, and yeah, that should be fine. Let's enable this one again and get a nice camera view. Maybe something like this. And I think this doesn't look bad at all. Anyway, the important thing to know is that you can use multiple splines, not just 2. You can use up to 3, 5, 8, 8,000. It doesn't really matter. And you can use multiple spline shapes. It depends on your creativity or your needs. So it depends on what you want to create or what you want to achieve. And that's pretty much it for today's video. See you in tomorrow's video. Thank you.